Hey everybody, Josh from Steering South here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about skirting repair. On our last trip, we ran into a little bit of a problem with our skirting coming loose and flapping in the wind, and it actually bent up and was looking like it was going to break off. So here's the skirting, and you can see here it actually kind of bent and snapped the aluminum there. But this whole thing is all really floppy. What happened is these little aluminum brackets they put under there for braces, it snapped. Here, you can kind of see what they do. They mount it to the frame there, and then they just attach it underneath the skirting edge. And it's just cheapy aluminum, and a bunch of them have broken. What I did is I took some sheets of aluminum we had laying around. This aluminum right here, had this laying around. It's about an 1/8 inch thick or so. And we cut strips of it. And on this side, I've already done the repairs. So you can see this is a lot more sturdy. Also, we replaced all the screws like this with rivets that should last quite a bit longer. Those screws are only going through, a tiny bit of this sheet metal, and they were falling out. So here's the angle bracket I made, nice and sturdy. Like I said, we just cut that strip of aluminum. I bent it up at 90 degrees on this end. Put it in with a self-tapping tech screw into the side of the frame. And then on this end, it's just riveted to the skirting. And voila, no more floppy skirting problems. So like I said, I've already fixed this side. Had to add another brace right here because this was really floppy. These other ones are actually still intact, but we still swapped out the screws with rivets. We couldn't swap out the top one because that's actually going into something, but these were the ones that were falling out. So we're actually heading out this weekend on our next big trip, heading up to Canada and then over to Alaska, and we're really excited to get going. We still have a few things to take care of. I have to finish up fixing the skirting on the other side. We have to go through the pass-through, reorganize that, get everything packed up in the truck that we're going to take, and we're going to try to do a garage sale before we leave. We've been here for a couple months at Nicole's parents' place, and while it's been great, it's been really nice to have a place to park and spend time with her family. It's time to get on the road. I'm getting pretty stir crazy. After our first trip, I really do like it on the road, and we're all very excited to get moving. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We have some really exciting stuff coming up. Like I said, we're heading up to Canada and then up to Alaska, and we have plans to reach the Arctic Ocean. So, pretty excited for that. All right, thanks for watching, guys.